Hello everyone. Welcome to NET online preparation classes. Today we are presenting you the first IQ lesson.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to start our intelligence section with the direction sense questions. So for that we need to have some sense of the directions. If you're facing the north, east lies to the right of north and west lies to the left of north. Similarly, if you're facing the south, we'll have west on our right and east on our left side. If you're unable to imagine this, you can turn the page around during the test. Now let's have a look at some questions I've taken from examvera.com. You can practice more of these by clicking on the link given in the description box below.
Now it's your turn to practice what you have learned from this lecture. Relevant links are provided in the details below for your ease and practice.
Question number 1 की statement को हम साथ-साथ पढ़ेंगे और साथ-साथ draw करेंगे. This makes it easier for us to find the value of what is asked. A man walks 1 kilometer to the east. So let's say this is our starting point. A man walks 1 kilometer to the east. East ये वाली direction होती है. And then turns to south. South का मतलब है नीचे वाली direction. This is north, this is east, this is west, and this is south. तो यहाँ से south का मतलब हम यहाँ से नीचे जा रहे हैं 5 kilometers. Again he turns to east and walks 2 kilometers. तो अब east पे turn करना है. We have to walk 2 kilometers. After this he turns to north and walks 9 kilometers. North वाली direction अब ऊपर है यहाँ से. और 9 किलोमीटर का मतलब है if this is 5 तो 9 का मतलब it has to be longer than. Let's say this is 9 kilometers. Now how far is he from the starting point? अब ये हमारा starting point था और ये हमारा ending point है. तो हमें इसके दरमियान में distance चाहिए. So to find the distance we need to have an understanding of the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem right angle triangles पे अप्लाई होता है. तो two perpendicular sides उनमें से एक को हम कहते हैं base और दूसरे को हम कहते हैं perpendicular. This can be base, this can be perpendicular. आप जिस तरह मर्जी उसे लेबल कर लें. And the side opposite to this right angle is known as the hypotenuse, abbreviated as small h. So the theorem says h square is given by b square plus b square. So if we have to find the value of h, यहाँ हम अंडर रूट लेंगे तो दोनों साइड पे तो we get b square plus b square. So now if we see this is a right angle triangle, we can find the value of this if we draw a right angle triangle here. This is our hypotenuse, this whole is our base, and this is the perpendicular. अब इनकी वैल्यूज हम कैसे फाइंड करें? हम दिस इज 1 किलोमीटर यहाँ तक and this is 2 kilometer. If this is 2, so this is also 2 because the sides are parallel. उसी तरह if this is, अब हम perpendicular की बात करते हैं तो we have this whole thing to be 9 and this is 5. So if this is 5, the portion here is also 5. Because these two lines are parallel. Now this is 5. This का मतलब है this portion is 9 minus 5. That means this is 4. So the base is 1 plus 2, 3. And the perpendicular is 9 minus 5, which is 4. So now we substitute the values of base and perpendicular into this theorem, and we get we get 5 as our answer. That means the distance from the starting point is 5 kilometers. This working could be avoided if you remember 3, 4, 5 to be the measurements of a right angle triangle. Question number 2. I walk 30 meters in northwest direction. So let's say this is my starting point and I walk 30 meters in northwest direction. तो मैं इसको क्लियर करने के लिए मैं एक एक्सिस बना रही हूँ यहाँ पर. This is north, this is south, this is east and this is west. So northwest का मतलब है we're moving in this direction. So we move 30 meters in the northwest direction from my house and then 30 meters in the southwest direction. अब यहाँ पे हम दोबारा एक्सिस ड्रॉ करते हैं. Again we have north, south, east and west. And then 30 meters in southwest direction. So southwest direction का मतलब है this is south, this is west, this is southwest. Just. So now we are here. After this I walk 30 meters in southeast direction. अभी इस point पे हम दोबारा अगर axis draw करें, so we get east, north, west and south. So now we walk 30 meters in southeast direction. So this is south, this is east. तो southeast का मतलब है it's here. And since 30 है तो मैंने exact उतना ही बनाया. Now I turn to my house. In what direction am I going? तो हमारा हाउस यहाँ पे था जहाँ से हमने वॉक करना शुरू किया. अब यहाँ से अगर हम अपने हाउस की तरफ देखें तो वो किस डायरेक्शन में आता है. So अब यहाँ पे अगर हम अपना एक्सिस ड्रॉ करें, this is north, this is east, this is south and this is west. So ये हमारे पास कौन सी डायरेक्शन बनती है? This is north east. So our answer is north east. Question 3. If southeast becomes north and south becomes northeast and all the other directions are changed in the same manner, then what will be the direction for west? तो इसके लिए हम पहले ओरिजिनल एक्सिस ड्रॉ करते हैं. अब लेट्स सी उसने किसको नॉर्थ कहा है. इफ साउथ ईस्ट बिकम्स द नॉर्थ, तो अब उसने कहा है कि दिस इज आवर नॉर्थ एंड साउथ बिकम्स नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड द साउथ इज नॉर्थ ईस्ट and all the directions are therefore changed in the same manner. So if this is northeast, that means this is east, this is east. इसका opposite बिल्कुल क्या होगा? West. This is north, that means this is south. तो जो originally west है उसके लिए कौन सी direction होगी? So now this is west, but in our new axis this is east and this is south. तो इनके बिल्कुल दरमियान में we get this direction is now changed as southeast. टेस्ट में हम पेपर को रोटेट भी कर सकते हैं. दैट हेल्प्स अस अंडरस्टैंड द डायरेक्शन इवन मोर. जैसे अब इसको अगर वो नॉर्थ कह रहे हैं तो हम पेपर को टर्न कर सकते हैं बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट इस पोजीशन में, बिकॉज हम फेमिलियर हैं कि नॉर्थ इस तरफ होता है. तो हम पेपर को उस डायरेक्शन में टर्न करेंगे तो हमें खुद ही समझ आ जाएगा कि वो किस डायरेक्शन में शो हो रहा है.
You have seen the concept being explained and I've done a few examples. If you find this lecture helpful, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon button so that you don't miss out on our upcoming lectures.